So let's go through some quick processing I made to a drum section with return tracks. So this is the drum section. So they have some more like an organic sound, and let's see what I did. So I have the console cascade here. And I'm squashing hard the whole drums, then mixing them at low volume. Then we have the drums punch, so I have these series of transients boosting, like I have like attack up, sustain down, then I have attack up, sustain down, then I have just sustain down and sustain down again, and I'm doing this. So there might be like easier ways to do it, like with a gate. In this case, I just did this. The concept is isolate the transient and clip it and then mix it back at low volume, and you have this snap. You have a bit more crunch in the drums that makes them cut through the mix. Then I have the drums room, so it's really simple. I use these drum bass presets from RC24. I cut the lows, the low mids, and boosted the highs, and did the same here again just to make sure the lows weren't interfering with the bass, with the bass in the kick drum. Then I have this drum tape delay. So I have ping pong and also the soft sine. So the delay is a bit dirty and it feels the holes a bit better. And then I have this snare plate. So the snare has a bit more of air, so, and the drums, it sounds like this. So these are all tiny details that when you put them together can really bring the drum kit to life. So hope you learned something and see you in the next one.